Hello, welcome to the Martial Art Show, the cybersecurity show. In this video, I'm going to discuss what would happen if you was to download a fake scam or a sketchy link online. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. From a security perspective, there are huge security risks, right? Downloading fake scams or malicious software can severely compromise your computer security and put your personal information at risk, right? Here are some of the potential consequences of clicking that GTA link that you thought was free GTA, right? There's the potential of malware infection, right? The fake software often contains malware like viruses, spyware, or ransomware that can infect your system. This malware can steal sensitive data like passwords and financial information, right? You're like, oh, I don't care if they steal my passwords. Yeah, but your passwords to your Chase account, okay? It gives scammers remote access to your computer. It encrypts your files and demands a ransom payment. It slows down your computer or causes system crashes. If you like this video so far, please hit that subscribe button and the like button. If you like this information, if you're enjoying it, hit that subscribe button and the like button. So there's also identity theft, right? Scammers may gain access to personal information stored on your computer, putting you at risk of identity theft. What that could mean potentially, right? It can be access to your online accounts. They can make fraudulent purchases. They can open new credit lines in your name. There are financial losses too, right? Many fake scams are designed to trick you into paying for fake antivirus software or tech support services. You may end up losing money directly to the scammers, right? Imagine somebody using your information to purchase things on the dark web, and all of a sudden you got cops at your door, right? There's also file corruption, right? Malicious software can corrupt or delete important files on your computer. There's performance issues, right? Your computer may run much slower or experience frequent crashes and errors after being infected, right? There's privacy violations. There's data harvesting, right? Spyware installed through fake scams can monitor your online activities and harvest sensitive data, right? So if you're wondering why they always know what you want, there you go. Now, here's the part where it starts to get a little shaky, right? You have webcam/microphone access. Some malware can activate your webcam or microphone without your knowledge. So if you feel like you've been a suspect to, clicking these things, you're going to want to disconnect from the internet immediately, right? Run a file system scan with reputable antivirus software. Change all your passwords from a clean device, right? Monitor your financial accounts for suspicious activity. Consider a clean reinstall of your operating system in severe cases, right? The safest approach is to avoid downloading suspicious software in the first place, right? So that free GTA game you thought you was going to have, okay, don't click on it. Do not click on it. Be wary of pop-up warnings, unsolicited emails, and websites offering free or heavily discounted programs. When in doubt, only download software from official trusted sources with your cheap self, because you was gonna download that free GTA. Anyways, if you accidentally downloaded spyware on your device, here's what you should do. Again, disconnect from the internet. Stop the bleeding. Make sure that you just, the more you're on the internet, the more hackers can take from you, right? You're going to want to reboot your device in safe mode, which only runs essential programs and can help prevent the spyware from operating, right? Now you're going to have to remove it. You got yourself in it, now you have to remove it, right? There's the removal process. Scan your device with reputable antivirus and anti-malware software to detect and remove any malicious files. Manually delete any suspicious apps or files you don't recognize. Clear your browser cache to remove any malicious websites, right? Now, if what I talked about previously does not work, consider performing a factory reset on your device as a last resort. Now, there are post-removal steps, right? Change all your passwords from a clean device, especially for important accounts like email and banking. Monitor your financial accounts for any suspicious activity. Update your operating system and all software to the latest versions to patch any vulnerabilities. Install reputable antivirus software if you don't have it already. Install that antivirus software. Do you feel what I'm telling you? You do that because you want to help prevent future infections. So that's what I have for you today, right? If you like this video, or if you enjoyed the content, if you learned something new, please hit that subscribe button and the like button. Again, if you like this video, if you enjoyed it, if you want more content like this, please hit that subscribe button and the like button. I appreciate your viewership. Stay safe and see you on the next video.